Sikat na sikat dito sa TikTok yung Sanda 1099 na homage ng Rolex Submariner. But it looks so cheap and yet it sells for over 1,000 pesos. So here's my custom watch from Corgi, a dozen times better. Designed based on the Rolex Submariner Oyster Steel, reference number 126610LN. Basically the black dial and black bezel. Comes with a warranty card but it is not signed like any other AliExpress watch. And here we have the manual. The watch itself has a 41mm case diameter, 48.5mm lug to lug. But if we include the mail and link it measures up to 54.3mm. The dial design is actually based on the Tudor Black Bay heritage, but we have a date window and I will explain later why. We have a case thickness of 13.4mm. Sakto lang para sa gantong relo. And we have here a milled clasp, very classic. Then the leg to leg is actually 20mm. We also have a screw down crown. And for those who don't know, ito yung naka-thread in yung crown bago mo magamit. And that helps to make this watch up to 200 meter water resistant. And going back to why we have a date window, that's because this is using a third-party Seiko automatic movement, the NH35A. Here I put it side by side with my very prestige and most favorite watch, the Joca. Here I put it side by side with my very prestige and most favorite watch, the Joca. Both features a sapphire crystal and the ceramic bezel insert, so top-notch yung pagka-scratch resistant nito.